The bridge has broken! Cars can't cross the river. Can the construction heroes save the city?
Don't worry,
We're on our way.
I'm Excavator. I dig big holes and move heavy rocks.
Wow! Excavator is our first construction hero.
Let's clear these heavy rocks first.
Go, Excavator! You're super strong! We cleared the big rocks, but the ground is still uneven.
Don't worry, my friend Bulldozer is coming.
Yay! More construction heroes!
Hello, I'm Bulldozer.
Bulldozer is our second construction hero. Let's make the bridge safe again. Wow!
Push, push, push! The ground is nice and flat now.
Great job, Bulldozer!
Now we need someone to lift the giant bridge pieces.
The ground is ready, but the bridge are too heavy.
Who can lift something this big?
I can. I'm the giant crane.
Hello, friends. I'm Crane into the air.
Wow, Crane is our third construction hero. Let's fix the bridge together.
The bridge beam is going into place. Perfect teamwork.
Construction heroes are amazing. The bridge is taking shape, but it's still not strong enough. We need strong concrete.
Don't worry, I brought fresh concrete.
Yay!
Hello, friends. I'm Cement Mixer.
You're our fourth construction hero. Let's make this bridge super strong.
Pour, pour, pour! Fresh concrete is filling the bridge. Everything is fitting perfectly.
Great teamwork, everyone. Oh no! We need giant steel beams to finish the bridge.
Who can bring them?
I can. Follow me.
Hello. When to stop. I'll fix them. Hello, I'm Utility Truck. I repair traffic lights.
And keep roads safe. You're our ninth construction hero. Hooray!
Done. Red, yellow, green.
Yay! The bridge is safe again. Oh no! A delivery truck is stuck in the broken road. We have to help.
I'm on my way. Hello, I'm Heavy Tow Truck.
I rescue big vehicles safely. Let's save the truck. You're our 10th construction hero. Pull! Pull! I'm free! Great job, everyone! off again. Thank you, construction heroes. You're welcome. Thank you, construction heroes. Helping others makes us happy. Today we learned about 10 amazing construction vehicles. Can you remember their names? Great job, little explorers. Let's play a fun construction quiz. Can you guess the first construction hero? Wow!
Which construction hero digs big holes? Is it excavator or crane?
Excavator! Yay! The answer is excavator! Great job, everyone!
Question number 2. Which construction hero lifts heavy bridge beams?
Crane or dump truck? The correct answer is crane!
That's right!
Question number 3. Which construction hero makes the road smooth? Road roller or excavator? The answer is road roller!
Correct! I make roads smooth and safe. Final question. Which construction hero rescues broken vehicles?
Heavy tow truck or cement mixer? The answer is heavy tow truck!
That's right! Great job, little explorers!
You answered all the questions! You're an amazing construction hero! Hooray! Thanks for joining our construction rescue adventure. Subscribe for more exciting adventures. See you next time!